What is up, YouTube? It is Dark Beauty 925 coming to you live, and today I have a December favorites video for you guys. So today it is December 29th, so I am filming this like not at the end of December, but December is coming up and I think I'm going to be busy this weekend, so I don't know how much I'll be filming, so I was just decided to film this video today. Also, my tongue is blue because I have this Taco Bell slushie, so please try not, I mean, it's going to be hard not to pay attention to it, but try not to mind it or let it distract you. So the favorites that I have for this month is very like, it varies a lot, so it's very diverse. I can say it's not like all makeup or stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna get right into the video because like I say all the time, I don't want this video to be too long. Let's start off by showing just like the off the wall type of thing. So the first thing is my laptop case. So this is most definitely one of my December favorites because at first I had this one case from Amazon. It came with my my auntie gave it to me with my laptop, and I just didn't like the feel of it. It was kind of like a rigid kind of feel to it, and I didn't like that. So then I told my mom like I want a new laptop case, and she had this one for me, and I just think it is so pretty, and it's more of a smoother surface than the one that I had before. So it's like a purple zebra print, and it's big enough to carry not only my laptop but like my tablet and the cords that go with it as well. So this is definitely one of my December favorites, especially and it's especially useful for when I have to I can just carry all my stuff into work at once. So most definitely this was a December favorite. So I had but I broke my other flat irons, and it was still the same brand as Absolute Heat, but they were like a thicker plate on them. Like the plate was really wide. They weren't like skinny like this, but I did like the brand. So when I went to go buy new flat irons, I was watching out for this brand, and I just think this color and everything was so cute. Not like, I guess it's cute to me because I like dark colors, but it's like this platinum gray, and it went up to, I forgot what degrees it went up to, but whatever it was, it's like 450 I think, and that's like good for my hair. Not 450, but it going up to that high is good because I have very thick hair and it's like kind of hard to straighten my hair. So this is most definitely a favorite. I use this most of the times. I don't flat iron my hair every day, but when I do use it, it is a good flat iron. Also, this heat protectant, this chai heat protectant, is also one of my December favorites because I did have problems with like heat damage when I got leave out, so this was definitely a great buy. And then as you can see in like one of my other hauls, I had bought more heat protectants. Like I got a Garnier Fructis one, and then I got a Cantu one, but this so far is my favorite, but I could just be saying that because it's the one that I use the most and I haven't really used those yet. But I most definitely made use of this in December, so yes, this is my favorite, and I got it from Marshalls, and it was just $2.99. So, but I'm thinking it's just because it's like the little bottle, because these can really get to be so expensive. Next thing that I have is my concealer, and I did a whole review that I will link in the description box on this concealer, and it's the LA Pro Girl Concealer, or LA Girl Pro Concealer. And it's just a really nice concealer, and I was looking for a good concealer that matches my skin tone, and I'm still out there looking for a concealer just to test them out. I know I have a concealer review coming up. I forgot which brand it was, but yeah, I have one of those coming up. But yeah, so just this, and I got it in the color Toast. I don't know if it's gonna say any. Oh yeah, right there. It might not focus all the way, but I got it in the color Toast, and I just really like it. At first I thought it was kind of too liquidy, but it's actually like the perfect texture. And I didn't put it on my I stopped putting it on my hand, like squeezing out my hand and then taking my brush and doing it. I just started using the brush that it comes with, and I really like using it that way better. So that's kind of like an update on my review. So most definitely one of my favorites. Another favorite is this Perfect Tone, and it's the Black Radiance Matte Lip Color, and I guess they don't show the names on their packaging, so I can't even tell you the name of it, but it's like a maroonish color, and it is so cute, and I wear it in a lot of my videos. You can tell like I use it a lot. The cap is all dirty and everything. So I wear this a lot. I think it's very hard for me to find a lipstick color that looks right on me, and I think this does the job. I did try other lipsticks in the same brand, and I'm still kind of testing out how I like it, like the different colors. So, but this is most definitely one of my favorites, especially for the month of December, because it just goes with a lot of like looks for this type of weather or this type of season. The last makeup product that was my favorites in the month of December is just my Profusion Eyeshadow Primer. And I really like this. I haven't really tried any other eyeshadow primer, so I don't really have nothing to compare it to. But for what it's worth, it's a very good primer. It gets the job done. This actually came in my Profusion palette. It makes the pigment of most eyeshadows come out, and it keeps your eyeshadow on. I just dropped it, and it keeps your eyeshadow on all day. So, and the last thing that I have for my December favorites are these knee-high boots. They kind of look well, not really, but they kind of are showing up a little salty, but it has kind of been a lot of salt on the ground because it's been snowing. So just these knee-high boots were most definitely my favorite. They're black, and I needed these, and I wanted these for a long time, like since Black Friday, and I end up getting it from JCPenney's. I had it in one of my hauls, so if you check out one of my hauls, you'll see it there. But I was so excited to get those because I really wanted them, and I just really been making use of them. They make my outfits look so much nicer, and I just ordered some gray ones just like that, so I'm excited to get those shipped in. So that is all for this video. Please click the bell if you want to receive notifications for every time I post. Also, like, comment, and subscribe. If you have a December favorite video, please comment below so I can check your channel out. It is Dark Beauty 9825 signing out of this live. Bye.